Hi, my name is Sam Proctor with the USC Service Department, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to pull your reports from your USC system onto a flash drive.
Before we can export the reports from the system, we first have to check the format of the flash drive being used. The way we do this is by plugging the flash drive into your computer. It will then prompt you to view the existing files on that flash drive in a new documents folder. If no prompt pops up on your computer screen, you can also open a new documents folder, like I have shown here. Once you have the folder open, you can see the flash drive on the left-hand side of the folder underneath computer. Now, to actually check the format of the flash drive, what we need to do is right-click on the flash drive and then select Format from the drop-down list. This will pop up the format window. The only thing that we are concerned about in this window is the file system, which is what the flash drive is currently formatted to. Flash drives, in order for our system to download reports, have to be formatted to FAT32. And as you can see here, the flash drive that I'm currently using is already formatted to FAT32. If your flash drive is not, it's not a hard thing to do. What we'll do is underneath File System, on this little drop-down bar, we're going to select FAT32 from the list, and then we're going to go ahead and click Start to start the formatting process. This will also bring up another warning prompt to let you know that anything that is currently on the flash drive will be erased during the formatting process. So you'll want to make sure that if there's anything on that flash drive that you need to keep, that you remove it before hitting OK. Once you're OK with formatting the flash drive, go ahead and just hit the OK button. Then after a few seconds, you'll get another prompt window to let you know that the format has been completed. Then all you need to do is hit OK, close out the format window, right click on the flash drive again, eject it from your computer, and then remove it from your computer.
Okay, so now that the USB drive has been properly formatted, the next step is to go ahead and plug it into your USC system. So there are two locations where this USB port can be located. One is at the bottom of the control panel, or it may be on the side of the control panel.
Now that we have a properly formatted USB drive, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the automation screens on where to get to the import and export screen. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the main splash screen here, as you can see. So from here you can click anywhere on that screen and it'll take you to the main treater screen. From here we're going to go to Utilities, then Security, and then we're going to log in like normal. So username is operator, your password is going to be USC, and make sure your caps lock is on, otherwise it won't log in. Hit enter, and it goes ahead and gets me logged in. Next we're going to go into Tools and Options, and then over here to Import Export Lists. So in here, up here at the USB status, you can see it says not connected. That's because I don't have a USB connected in yet. But as I plug it in, say connecting, and then it says connected. As long as you see connected as your USB status, that means the system is properly reading the USB drive. Sometimes it'll just get stuck on connecting, and if you've already properly formatted it, you might have to put a file onto the flash drive, because after formatting or using a flash drive that has never been used before, the system doesn't always like to read it, so you have to put a file on it and then delete it off and then try it again. But now that the USB status says connected, we're going to go to Job Reports, which is the reports for the system. Now right now I don't have any to export, but we'll go ahead and just run through this. So now that we're here connected, all we do is we come over here to this export button, hit export, and then we just wait for it to finish. So as you can see up here in the export status, there's nothing there, so that means it has been completed. So from here we can go ahead and take the flash drive out of the system, and then we're going to go ahead and plug it into the computer to view the reports.